Automate your company's administrative and recruiting process. Redefine the way you manage your resources with an intricately built AI-powered next-gen tool. Know more about OStaff. OStaff, a personalized HRMS portal developed to provide relevant and cost-effective HR solutions. OStaff comes with fully automated and advanced technology to all shapes and sizes of industries to leverage efficiency and effectiveness. It automates all HR-related operations that include employee information, leaves balances, attendance portal via face recognition with a timesheet, training, appraisals, payslips, employee onboarding and much more. OStaff also automates the company administrative and recruiting process. Additionally, OStaff includes greetings like birthdays, marriage anniversaries, work anniversary, employee onboard, promotions, appraisals, open position announcements, company events, product releases, and holiday notifications. OStaff is a cloud-based HRIS human resource information system and HRMS human resource management system that integrates core and HR functions into one solution. Key features of OStaff: bringing a new edge to how you manage your resources. OStaff introduces the new way of automating management. Know about the multiple features that our AI-enabled HRMS tool OStaff comes with. Time and attendance management, recruiting and hiring, leave management, payroll management, employee onboarding, employee self-service and MSS manager self-service. Please keep in touch for more updates on OStaff. A Bill Must production.